Hi everybody, I'm Joyce Fields. Be inspired by the awesome books at goodshortbooks.com. Book number 2 is entitled Mother's Dozen, an easy recipe for raising great kids. Book number 3 is Madre, Docena, which is Mother's Dozen in Spanish. The foreword was written by Reverend C.L. Murray, who is the retired pastor of Fame Church in Los Angeles. He calls Mother's Dozen a handbook of excellence in raising children. It systematizes the rules passed from generation to generation regarding preparing children for the world to come. This book tells you how to raise children who are independent and responsible, along with a lot of other ingredients, as I call them. So order it from goodshortbooks.com.